For years, we've focused on successfully moving clients to Microsoft Azure. With that, we've gained deep understanding of what works best when it comes to cloud migrations for organizations of all sizes and complexities. On-Ramp to Azure is built off that collective experience and offers our customers the best approach to Azure migration, determined by their priorities, complexities, and criticalities from both a business and a technical perspective. Unlike a pure cloud migration service, On-Ramp to Azure has different flavors based on an organization's size, their team capacity, and their desire for ongoing support. Many firms just focus on the lift and shift, often leaving customers unsure how to optimize or manage when they leave. On-Ramp, however, provides a comprehensive turnkey service that includes a Microsoft-supported cloud assessment, an automated Azure deployment process, monthly optimization of their Azure billing subscription, and monthly managed services to support continued workload migration at the customer's pace. Built on best practices for networking, security, and compliance, On-Ramp to Azure's core subscription-based service is ideal for lean organizations that need an experienced partner to rapidly and successfully get them to Microsoft Azure and provide continual management as an extension of their team.